Hi, you guys. Let's go over our agenda for this week. So you'll notice that it's the assessment week. So the study guide needs to be done before class. I know that for some of you guys, I haven't seen you in like 2 weeks. And so if you want to come and see me during Life Ed to get your study guide, like an actual physical copy of it, you're more than welcome. I have some printed. Um, if you can't, well, don't worry, I posted one on here for you. So, like I said, the study guide has to be done before class. I also put a practice test for you guys on big ideas. And then in class, we are going to do a warm-up. We are going to review the study guide, go over any questions you have, possibly do a review game if there's time, and then we will test in person. This was a very difficult chapter. It was our first 8th grade chapter, and so we're going to do this in person. That way you guys can ask any questions that you might have during the test. And then if you're absent, email me and let me know, and I can send you a digital copy on Big Ideas. So in the folder, you'll see the study guide. I put the copy here for you guys, and then also if you click on the study guide assignment, there is one shown right here for you. And yeah, so that's all we have for this week. Just get that study guide done and that practice test, and then I'll see you guys in class and we'll review it all. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, you can come and see me during Life Ed. You can send me an email, join me on a Zoom, whatever you guys need. Just let me know.